You know they sealing these bags now. When I got it, this is unsealed. So bitch, did you look at my shit?
Suffocating every time it locks me in. Painting their own pictures, then they crop me in. But I will remain where the top begins. Cause I am not a word.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to.
So I'm about to eat my rice cake and peanut butter with my Naked Green Machine drink. And this is gonna be my breakfast today. I'm also drinking, trying to get all of this good water in. I do have Crystal Light in here because I'm a beginner, so I gotta store it somewhere. But the goal is to drink all of this today. It is 9:30 right now, and I'm right at the 9 a.m. mark. The next like check-in spot, so to speak, is at 11 a.m. So, healthy life, let's get it. Yup. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you haven't, join the community now and hit that subscribe button. Let's get it.
When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up.
Okay, y'all, so I just wanted to show you guys my pantry. I took a lot of time and a lot of pride on this pantry I've been working on. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump in and show you this pantry.
Keep lighting fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence.
I wanted this to be lower because it has cans on it, but it's very secure up here and it's just more space up here, so it just works better up here than I probably would have preferred it to be lower down here, but it's all good. So I have all the pasta sauces. I think I also in the back have syrup, and I also have pecani sauce. And then I have my rice section over here. I have Caleb's favorite hamburger helper. I have a couple salt. I use this all the time, so I just kept that there. And then my mom's coffee, because I don't drink coffee, is up there when she comes to visit. And then just other condiments, vegetable oil, salt, Pam spray in these baskets, which I found these cute little baskets on Amazon. And if I remember, I'm gonna try to list them and put the link in the description. But I love these baskets. They're rose gold. And then I have some more cans that wouldn't quite fit. I could make them fit, but I just put them down here. So I have some seasoning here. I have more seasoning. And then I got the peanut butter out, but the peanut butter was back here. And so I had those condiments there. I had all my noodles in this basket. I have more seasoning. And I need to put this can up. I just haven't did it, so I need to put this back up here. So I'll do that. And then this seasoning, more seasoning. And then I have my Crystal Light section and more coffee for my mom. You know what? This is actually creamer. Y'all can tell I don't drink coffee. That's creamer. And then this is the coffee my mom drinks back here. And then I have my wrapping foil, all kind of gravy, like little noodle pasta stuff that you can add to any meal. Taco seasoning. I think I have gravy back there. I have more rice, Spanish rice, Mexican rice, just all kind of rice. I think I have some bacon bits in here for my salads. And then I also have these Hershey Kissy thingies in there too. And then I have my Ziploc bags, 2 cases of water. I also have water in the garage as well. Tuna, because when we had the whole debacle, you know, and everybody was getting extra food because we didn't know what to expect, I actually got a whole bunch of tuna, because tuna, you can always use tuna. You can always eat tuna out of the can. And then I got a bunch of ramen noodles that I need to put in the bottom here. But that's pretty much it. I have a snack section that I will show you guys a little later. So I'll give you a snack, but we don't have a lot of snacks. Like most of the snacks are for Caleb. I'm doing really like popcorn for a snack, which Caleb loves. I'm just trying to be healthier and make better choices. So if it's not in the house, I'll do better. If you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. Let's get it. Yeah. So hey guys, I just ordered from Dairy Queen my chicken crispy salad. I pray nobody. My chicken seemed a little light.
Bruh.
But yeah. And then when I got, what made me, you know, they sealing these bags now. When I got it, this is unsealed. So bitch, did you look at my shit? Did you? And I'm sorry to be cussing because I'm not a cusser. But I'm like, this stuff running around free. Like, let's be safe. Like, y'all doing too much.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right.
So I ordered a salad from my favorite Dairy Queen. Love it, love it, love it. Grew up on Dairy Queen, so anytime I get a chance to get it, yeah. So I ordered the chicken crispy salad. So we're gonna jump right in.
Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose.